when it came to adding the additional bedroom, what I did was did a lot as much of the work as possible that I was comfortable doing. So what I did was the framing of the actual bedroom, and then I hired out the electrical and the drywall because although those are skills I likely could have learned over like on YouTube and stuff like that, the time that it would have taken me to learn and actually do the electrical and drywall probably would have been about 2 months, where I could hire an electrician and a drywaller, and they could do both of those things in about less than a week. And I can get a renter in there probably 2 months faster than if I would have done the work myself. And looking at, if I pay someone to do it, I'm out a couple $1,000s, but I can collect a couple $1,000s in rent sooner than if I would have done the work myself. So that's why I decided to hire out some of that work.